So we'll start this practice with your arm's length distance away from a wall. We'll be using our wall for support all throughout this practice. Place your right palm on the wall. Support yourself standing on your right foot as you lift your left knee in line with your hip. And then take the left knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Take a few rounds of opening it out towards the left. Place the left foot down as you cross it over the right, crossing at the legs. Left arm lifts up and over your head. Press your hips away from the wall so you feel the stretch all along the left side of your body. Exhale, lowering the left arm down by your side, uncrossing at the ankles. Drawing your left knee in line with your hip one more time. Circle out the knee joint, circle out your hip, clockwise and counterclockwise. Then take your left foot and cross it over your right knee, so you're in a standing figure 4. Externally rotating through your left hip. Place the left foot down inside of the right foot one more time. Left arm lifts up and over your head as you take the side stretch towards your wall. Hips press away from the wall. Exhale, lower your left arm back down by your side, straightening up your torso, uncrossing the ankles. Both hands on the wall as you turn to face the wall. Walk your feet away from the wall and lower your chest in between your arms for a back stretch, shoulder stretch, hamstring stretch. Exhale here. Step your left foot in towards the wall. Leave your right leg back long and straight. Coming into a lunge. Again, palms press into the wall for support. Feel the stretch in that back leg all the way down to your ankle. Step both feet in towards the wall. Second side. Place your left palm on the wall, arms length away from the wall. Left foot stays grounded as you bend your right knee, lifting that knee up towards your chest, right in line with your hip. And take some circles clockwise, counterclockwise. Maybe open that knee out wider towards your right so you really get into your hip joint. Circling out the knee. And crossing your right ankle above your left knee, come into your standing figure 4. Pause here for a breath, feeling into that external rotation on your right hip. And place the right foot down on the inside of the left foot so you cross at your lower legs. Right arm lifts up and over your head. Take the side stretch, pressing the right side of your body away from the wall. Feeling everything open up from your right pinky toe down to your right, or up towards your right pinky finger. Exhale, lower the right arm down by your side. Uncross at the ankles. Turn to face the wall one more time. Walk your feet out and away from the wall. Coming to rest in your L shape. Stretching out through the shoulders, the back, hamstrings. Breathe here. And step your right foot in towards the wall. Left leg will stay extended back for your lunge. Right knee bends, left leg stays straight. Feel the stretch in the back of the left hamstring. Exhale to release, maybe walking your feet back out one more time for your back stretch. And step both feet in towards the wall. Come back to your mountain pose with both feet underneath your hips. Press your left fist towards the sky. Allow your right fist to follow. A reminder of your power to persevere. Place both palms together at heart center and pause for a final collective breath. Full inhale, exhale to release. Thank you for joining me today in practice. Namaste.